Don't download Hotjar Enterprise Behavior Insights app before watching this. Before you download Hotjar Enterprise, here's what most teams get wrong. It's more than just heatmaps. At the enterprise level, Hotjar provides session recordings, surveys, and advanced behavior analytics, but without strategy, you can waste months of insights. Step 1. Define your goals. Decide whether you want to improve conversions, user experience, or product adoption. Most people get this wrong by collecting all data and analyzing none. Step 2. Set up tracking properly. Configure heatmaps, funnels, and recordings on key pages. The surprising truth is, incorrect tracking leads to false conclusions that can misguide your UX and marketing teams. Step 3. Gather feedback. Use surveys and polls to collect user sentiment. Without structured feedback, data can be misleading. Step 4. Analyze and act. Review recordings, identify pain points, and test solutions. Teams that ignore insights fail to improve conversions and user satisfaction. The upside: proper Hotjar enterprise use can increase conversion rates by up to 20%, uncover hidden UX problems, and improve product adoption. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your team has a clear strategy, configures tracking correctly, and actively acts on insights. For smaller sites, standard Hotjar may suffice. Subscribe for practical advice on turning behavior insights into results.